Hello, I'm back basically for another Blender car interior modeling tutorial part part basically 12, I think. Yeah, part 12. So last time we left off, we did this, I think. So now I'm just gonna go isolation mode right here, which I'm gonna click on a number key like right slash and then go into isolation mode. And now I'm just going to go into tab key right here, and I'm just going to go like this, like that, and just go scale like this, I think. Just go like that, C-tier link, hide. And just move that like that. Go into wireframe mode, C. Go into solid mode, move that down. And I'm just gonna add that like that. Go into here and try to scale that down like that. Go C-tier edge, slide like that. And now we have the middle of this now done. And go C-tier edge, slide. And now what we want to try to do is we're going to start doing the car vents for this. So let me get better images of the car vent. So we need this. That's what we need. We need this right here. So we need something like this right here. And now we're just going to get started now. So kind of like that. And set like that. And kind of like that. And now I want to do the exact same thing to this one right here. Go C-tier E for edge slide. Go into face. And just go inset like that. And just move that kind of like that in the middle right there. And I'm just going to go into here, C-tier E for edge slide like that. Kind of like that. Shift V like that. Shift V like that. Shift V like this. Like that. Shift edge fly. Matter of fact, I'm going to move these instead. Edge slide like that. Edge slide. And I'm just going to go Shift V like that to do the rounded edge. Scale. Like that. Like that. Scale. Shift V. Shift V. Scale. Shift V. CTR select like that. And set right there. Like that. Now I'm just gonna go into here. Face. Go CTR tab face. I'm sorry if I'm not saying anything. X face, delete that edge right there. X face, X, delete that edge right there. And we're gonna work with C's, I think. So what do we need to do? We need to do this edge right here, I think. So now I just want to go into here. And set like that. Kind of like that, and I want to add kind of something like this. Add something right about here too. Like that. And add something right about there. And slide like that. And now what I'm going to do is go into here and do inset. Inset. Face, solid, inset right there. Go edge slide right there. Vertex select, CTRV. CTRE, edge slide. Edge slide. Edge slide. And now I'm just going to go into here. So I want to try to do this right here. So extrude. 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 Like that. So we have that right there. Kind of like that. So we have that selected like that. Ready to be used. Not 100% perfect, but it's good. So now I'm just going to go into here. Trying to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. So 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So like that. So where it looks exactly like this. So now go into here and just go bevel. Like that. extrude, extrude, like that, extrude, like that, extrude, like that. And now we're gonna do this, and we're gonna hit in here. Like that, and select this. Extrude, x-axis, like that. Extrude, x-axis, like that. There, I fixed that piece right there. So now it's better. So that's one of the car vents right there. So now I have to do this car vent right here, I think. So go into tab. Like that. And just like that. And set like that. Like that. Edge slide. Edge slide. So I'm gonna go in here. Extrude. Shift like that. Extrude, shift like this. Extrude, shift like this. Edge slide. Edge slide. And set right there. Like that, X face. One. Set. Edge slide. Like that. Edge slide. Edge slide. Edge slide. Like that. So C tier inverse, link, bevel. So sorry if I didn't speak, it's just, this is very, very hard to do. So what I did is I kind of went from CTRE, and then I hit bevel to bevel those lines, I think. And this is how the way it's usually done right here, I think. It's like this. For the car. And then I make sure that like turbo, like subdivision surface is turned off. And I'm going to hit extrude. hold down the shift key, and while I hit extrude, like that. And that's what it looks like so far. Completely perfect. Wasn't really quite sure how this is going to turn out. Extrude. Acts like that to a large degree. And I want to actually I want to turn off enable this and bring that down to a certain degree like this. Like that. Not too far. Kind of like that. Kind of like that right there. So now I'm going to select that, invert, hide, and I'm going to hit CTRR. Sorry, I sneezed. And I'm just going to go into here and click this one edge right here, and I'm going to go hold CTRL for that, and I'm going to hold CTRI to invert that. And now I'm going to hit CTRI right there. CTRR basically for loop selection. No, for loop edge, adding edge right there, I think. Then I'm going to go Alt H to unhide that. Go into here, CTRL for link selection, CTRI to invert, hide, and now I'm going to do the exact same thing for this. So when we add turbo smooth like this is what it usually looks like. Except I had to go into here, invert, hide, and just go into here, face select, and get that to be the right one. Go into enable subdivision surface, and just go into here, like that. Alt hide. And that's what it looks like so far. Looks perfect in shape. That's one of the car vents right there, I think. So it's looking perfectly done. So now the only thing I had to do right here is kind of take the cylinder shape right here and do the shape right here basically. So what I'm going to basically do right here is go into here, select these two faces and go shift, cursor to selected, and I'm going to add cylinder right here and scale that down like that. Scale this down. First of all, I'm going to take off subdivision surface, scale that down, and take off soft selection. I'm going to enable soft selection so that it doesn't get affected. I'm going to scale that down by the z-axis like that. rotate that by the y-axis like that. Like that. Incrementing like that. And now I'm just going to go into normal select mode or local like that. Actually, first I want to try to look at this. So yeah, I'm going to rotate this by the y-axis like that. And move that down like that. Like that. And set like that. And set like that. Just go CTRL for link and CTRI for invert and just go hide that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go Alt M and center that. Alt M, center. And we're just going to go Alt H, Alt H, CTR, Shift D, normal. And we're just going to scale that down like that. R, Shift R, Shift E R, and like that. And move that kind of like that right there. And now I'm just going to go into here like that. Like that. And now I'm just going to move this to the side right about here. CTRD right there. Move that like that. And now I'm just going to scale that down like this. And move that right about here. Kind of like that. Like that. And now I'm just going to move that up like that. Like that. Like that. Cursor to selected. And I'm going to hold Shift S and go cursor offset right there. And go shift to scale that, rotate that like that, and now I'm just going to go into here and just kind of just bring that down right about there. Select that right there, go Shift D. And kind of like that. Not really perfect. Actually, I might actually fix that and go D, X for delete face. Like that. And just go rotate that by y-axis. Like that. Cursor to selected. Go Shift S, cursor offset. Rotate this y-axis. Rotate this y-axis. Rotate this y-axis. Scale that down. And just go like that, and we have that now selected. See if this is the right one. So it's exactly the same like this. So I'm just going to go into here, go X, delete that, and just move that like that. And scale that up like that. And that. It's like that pretty much. We're done basically the car vent that's going to be used right here. So it's now done. Like that. And now I'm just going to go smooth like that. And that's what it looks like so far. So I guess that's it with this tutorial. It's like well over 40 minutes. So on the next tutorial, I'm going to be working mainly on the ashtray system right here. I'm going to work on this tray system right here. I'm going to work on. And then the next tutorial after that, I might end up working mainly on this system right here. I might end up working mainly on this right here, I think. But that's good. I think I did it well. And I hope that you like this tutorial, and I hope this tutorial can help you out a lot. And please subscribe to my tutorial. If you like my tutorial, please give me likes or whatever if you like my tutorial, and please view my tutorial. Thank you, goodbye. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope this can help, my tutorial helps you out with future projects. Thank you, goodbye.